If you are stuck trying to find inspiration for your maternity photo shoot and you don't know where to look, let me give you 3 places to check out in this video. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin, Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I want to give you 3 resources you can use to be able to find inspiration for your maternity photo shoot. Number 1 is my Idea Vault. I have already put together an Idea Vault that has over 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it. All you have to do is click the link in the description and go grab it, and it's going to have so many different styles, so many different aesthetics, so many different inspirations you can choose for your maternity photo shoot. The second place you can look is Pinterest. Pinterest is a great place to look. All you literally have to do is go on Pinterest, type in the style that you want to go for, rather if you want to go for a cute and classy maternity photo shoot, or maternity photo shoot with your husband, or elegant maternity photo shoot, or chic maternity photo shoot, or an earthly maternity photo shoot. Literally, if I could put a name on what Pinterest is the Google for the Google for photos, right? Literally, you just go on Pinterest and type in whatever you are looking for your maternity portraits, whatever style you want to go for, whatever ideas you need. And Pinterest is going to give you hundreds of thousands of different ideas and pins that you can save and make your own Pinterest mood board. And the third place I want to give you is TikTok. Everybody is on TikTok. TikTok is blowing up and it's going to continue to blow up. And if Pinterest was the Google for photos, TikTok is the Google for videos. You can literally type in the same thing you typed in on your Pinterest account, your Pinterest, and go on there, and it's going to give you actual videos of people doing the ideas that you may have. So now you can take those ideas, and it's going to be people who've actually done them that you can kind of actually also interact with. You can take those ideas and literally create your own maternity photo shoot idea from the different ideas that you found with what you saw on TikTok. So now that you have an idea where to find resources for your maternity photo shoot, I want you to let me know in the comments below, which resource are you going to look for to find inspiration for your maternity photo shoot? I'll catch you in the next video. If you are struggling to find an idea for your maternity photo shoot, let me give you 3 resources you can use to start. If you are struggling to find inspiration for your maternity photo shoot, let me give you 3 resources you can use today to find inspiration for your maternity portraits. Number 1 is my Idea Vault. I've already took the time out to create an Idea Vault full of 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas for you to use as inspiration for your own. All you have to do is click the link in my bio, grab the free Idea Vault, download it, and the ideas are yours. Number 2, Pinterest. Pinterest is like the Google search for photos. Go on Pinterest, type in maternity photo shoot blank, maternity photo shoot elegant, elegant maternity photo shoot for couple, maternity photo shoot for husband. Pinterest will literally give you exactly what you need to find inspiration for the maternity photo shoot that you want. And last but not least is TikTok. If Pinterest is the Google for photos, TikTok is the Google for videos. Type the same thing you typed in Pinterest on TikTok, and you will find so many different ideas and videos you can use for your maternity photo shoot to create inspiration and create portraits that you actually love.